Hello Leos, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this video we'll be seeing what your person feels about you. What are they planning to do in the near future, and what is the obstacle in this relationship which is holding you back from moving forward, if there is any. Okay, so let's see, let's have a card, a message for what their person is thinking about Leo. So what are their feelings for you? What are their feelings for you? Feelings of their person for Leos. So for the feelings, we have the Sun card. Beautiful. Let's see what's the obstacle, if there is any, in the path to move forward. We have the Queen of Wands. Okay. What are they planning to do in the near future? What action are they planning to do? What are they planning to do in the near future? What are they thinking of doing? We have the High Priestess. Okay. So for the feelings, we have the Sun card. So this person is really very happy to have you. They really feel happy to see you. They really are elated when they see you. They just see you as a dream fulfillment. They see you as the person who makes them happy. They're very happy with you. Let's see what's anything else for this Sun card, for the Leo's feelings. Okay, we have the Five of Wands somehow. The Two of Pentacles and the Sun over the Sun. See, what I feel here is that with the Five of Wands, Two of Pentacles and the Sun, see, though they see you as a source of happiness, they are really very happy in this relationship. They really do not want anything else except you. They like your company. They like to be with you. There's no doubt about that. But there is something still deep within their mind. They are not able to make a decision. Okay, there's something going on, some conflict, something is there in their mind, some sort of a confusion is there still in their mind. Okay, so maybe this confusion can be about a commitment, or it can be from your side as to what you feel about them. Okay, since we are reading their energies, not your energies. Okay, so this person feels conflicted and indecisive, though they are very happy with you, but still there is something which is causing some sort of indecision and conflict in their mind. So what I am getting here is, it can be that they want to commit and they are not able to. Perhaps they are not certain of your feelings. That can be one reason. Other reason can be that maybe they don't know how to move forward. Should they, shouldn't they, type of a thing, or anything else can be there. Let us see how the reading shapes up. Maybe you get something more for that from there. Obstacle is the Queen of Wands. So the Queen of Wands is somebody who is very attractive, very charming, in a very good position, and everything is good. Since it is coming as an obstacle, so maybe something of these factors is lacking over here. Let's see what is this obstacle about. What is this Queen of Wands here for? And the obstacles. Okay, we have the Eight of Pentacles, the Temperance, the Five of Pentacles. Are you ignoring them, Leo? See, as I said, this is somebody who is very attractive, and this is coming as an obstacle. So maybe they feel that you are too attractive for them. Maybe you are not giving them that much of a lift, I should say. And as I said, maybe you are not opening up. Maybe they are not sure about what you feel about them, and that is why this is coming as an obstacle. And for that, we have the Five of Pentacles, the Temperance, and the Eight of Pentacles. So they have to work too hard to please you, perhaps, to restore balance in this relationship. They are trying hard, they have to work too hard, but still their efforts are not acknowledged, and they feel rejected to some extent. They feel abandoned. Okay, so that's what they are working so hard, because they see you as their happiness. But the thing is, what the conflict here is that perhaps you are not opening up, you are ignoring them, you are rejecting them. Maybe you are doing that again and again. With the Temperance, they are trying to balance the relationship. They are still trying to move on. They are trying to keep their sanity, keeping their self-worth, and they're just trying to still please you or to impress you, whatever it is. A lot of hard work has to be put in to get a smile from your face also. It's something like that, but you are not giving them that also. Leos, you are ignoring this person, and this is coming up as the obstacle over here. And that is why in the near future the action is the high priestess, no action. They are just listening to their intuition. They are just trying to figure out as to what should I do. Should I make a move? Shouldn't I make a move? Does she love me or does he love me or not? It's he loves me or loves me not type of a feeling. That is why this person is not taking any action here. Though they are just being very very intuitive and just trying to figure out on their own as to what are your feelings for them. Okay, what will happen if they make a move? That is what they are trying to figure out, but they are not able to because they don't know what you feel and you just keep ignoring them. Okay, for the high priestess we have the 6 of swords, the fool, and the 8 of swords. Okay. See, what I am getting here is that since you are sort of rejecting them, sort of making them feel abandoned, this person is ready to move on, taking a fresh leap of faith, because with the 8 of swords, with you, they are feeling very, very captivated. They are feeling as if they are not getting their worth. You are not giving them the due acknowledgement. You are not reciprocating their feelings. So this person is feeling very, very upset. This person is feeling very, very, I should say they are getting hurt a lot. Okay. Though they are trying to keep it sane, they are trying to balance in some way, shape or form. But the thing is, they are not able to do that. Okay, they are not, this person is not able to balance anymore. This person's intuition says that it's time to move on. Okay, and that is what they are doing. They just want to let go of whatever is holding them back. They are trying to release themselves from you and they're just ready to take a leap of faith and move on. They have understood, okay, this is not meant to be and there is no point in staying here and there is no point in hurting themselves again and again because you are not acknowledging their or reciprocating their feelings, Leos. So I think this person will move on. So that's all I have for you. Hope it helps and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.